What is information literacy? Information literacy, as defined by the United States National Forum, is the ability to know when there is a need for information, to be able to identify, locate, evaluate, and effectively use that information for the issue or problem at hand.
The phrase information literacy first appeared in print in a 1974 report written on behalf of the National Commission on Libraries and Information Science by Paul G. Dierkowski, who was at the time president of the Information Industry Association. Dierkowski used the phrase to describe the techniques and skills learned by the information literate for utilizing the wide range of information tools as well as primary sources in molding information solutions to their problems, and drew a relatively firm line between the literates and information illiterates.
Information literacy plays a vital role in expanding our knowledge and understanding. Being information literate enables us to navigate through the rapidly growing web of information around us, such as the radio, newspaper, television, and the internet. Information is presented freely and unfiltered, which requires us to question its legitimacy, validity, and reliability. If we are not careful, we may end up being misinformed and given false information. So how does one become information literate?
According to the Wesleyan University Library, an information literate person should be able to identify up to what extent the information is needed and if it answers questions precisely and accurately. Locate the proper sources for information. It is important to understand how information is organized, cataloged, stored, and retrieved, and how these factors affect one another. Use indexes to locate specific sources effectively. Evaluate information critically. Being able to understand the different types of sources and formats, analyze the validity and importance of information. One should be able to synthesize information properly and learn to apply it. Present information to others so that they can use that information as well. Know the standards for presenting and show relevant information for the subject. Don't forget to cite your sources properly. And lastly, translate all these abilities so that you can apply them in other areas and disciplines.
In summary, one must be able to identify, locate, evaluate, synthesize, present, and translate information in order to become information literate. If we are information literate, we can apply the skills we learned in order to critically evaluate, assess the information around us, as well as distinguish and avoid negative forms of information such as propaganda, fake news, and pseudoscience. Information literacy is an important skill that each and every one of us must learn in order for us to have a better and more progressive network of information and society as a whole. Thank you!